Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Lighting. It's your boy Paul. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button and share the links to your friends and family. Let's look at the chart of BTC anyway, because we can see a rally yesterday where BTC moved to almost to 25,000. It slightly touched at 25,000 yesterday, and now we have seen BTC coming back down anyway. And at the same time, but what I'm still looking about here is this double bottom. Maybe it's still going to where the breakout happen here in 1 hour. Maybe BTC is still going to retest here. Once the candle be 23,600, maybe we are still going to see something like this to 22,800 back. But let's watch and see. We are still keeping eyes on it anyway to know what is really happening to the chart, which is very important. And even if we check about Ethereum has been very strong because of the March that is coming on the 19th of next month. And you can see how Ethereum is moving in 1 hour anyway. Where my target is, if Ethereum break this area, is 2,200. When we see Ethereum break this area, but Ethereum has been very strong anyway because it's still obeying this support over here, which I'm still looking at. Maybe it's still going to retest a double bottom over here also, but it's very stubborn. Ethereum is very stubborn over here. Despite that BTC is coming down, Ethereum is very stubborn. But let's watch and see what is still going to happen. Even to so many altcoins also, because they are playing the same pattern together. Even if you see Solana also, you can see Solana where Solana is also. Solana has not been quite moving like impressing someone anyway, because it has been retesting this angle 39,000 anyway in multiple times. This is a double bottom over here before we have another rally. Let's see if this is going to be a base support for Solana, which I have already marked here, which is 41,000 anyway. If it's still going to retest this 41,000, but let's keep our eyes on it. And let's talk about the Corp Finance. Binance, this CC tweet 1 hour ago concerning the Corp Finance Recovery Fund that Binance frozen and recover $458,000 of Corp stolen fund, representing which is 83% of the money being hacked. We are working with the LE to return the funds to the user. The hacker kept on sending the funds to Binance in different ways, thinking we can cash it. You see, that is how it is, because I think the reason why those hackers use this Binance is because they see Binance as a place whereby it has a lot of liquidity than all those other exchanges. And you know, Binance, a lot of liquidity in Binance, and Binance has been one of the exchange that have been very strong in this bear market, which I think that is the reason why they use Binance. And I think before Binance can recover a lot of money like this, they have been watching out the transaction of everyone in the exchange that's been happening concerning what is happening in Corp Finance, which is very positive for the space also, because a lot of money like this cannot be stolen from a DeFi token like this, which is Corp Finance is one of the biggest DeFi token out there also, and which is a customer money, and it's going to affect the system, which I think is a great kudos to Binance anyway for this recovery of money back. And let's look at Obi Finder also, where he's talking about reportedly to sell his majority stake in the exchange for $3 billion. You know, a lot of things have been happening in the crypto space because of lack of fund. Even Coinbase also making sending their workers away because of this bear market issue. A lot of exchanges like that also has been having challenges in terms of funds, which has been happening across the exchanges also. That is the reason why it's very important, because all this exchange, anything can happen. You secure your crypto by yourself. But I still believe in Binance, because when I was listening to CC AMA on Twitter some days ago was talking about the amount of money he's paying his engineer, people in charge of Binance system, and is spending a lot of money, millions of dollars to pay all these guys, because Binance has been a main target for all these hackers, because they know if they can attack Binance, where the fate is again. And that's the reason why I love CC and what he has been doing concerning the space, even if not because of CC, MicroStrategy, Michael Silo, who is the MicroStrategy also, we have been leave the post of CEO for now, and being these are the two people that are seeing in the crypto space that have been giving many people hope concerning what is happening in the market. And we have been seeing what is happening in the market concerning BTC. Majority of the altcoin also that they are oversold have been taking their momentum back, especially in DeFi protocol like Aave and like Compound, a lot of DeFi token like that, and even a lot of L1 also that have been doing wonderfully well for the recovery also. And even I saw something about Michael Saylor that was talking about the amounts of BTC they have anyway, and they have been in crypto space for 2 years now, and they have purchased almost like 21,454 BTC, which is worth of $250 million. And the average price of all this BTC is 11,000 as what I see yesterday, which I think is the liquidation price for the company. Which I think that this man is a genius. If BTC come back, what I'm just thinking on my mind this morning is that if BTC come back to its previous autumn high, how rich this guy is going to be in the world. It's going to be crazy, man. That's the reason why the most important thing about the crypto space is that you just need to find a good protocol, do your DCA on it, and you keep it for the long time. And when it is time for you to exit the market, don't hesitate at all for you to exit the market. Don't be greedy, because every opportunity will always come in the crypto space. Nobody never know. Maybe we have already reached the bottom or not, because many people are still scared about what is still happening in the market right now, because we don't know, maybe we are still going to have a huge shakeout, but we are just following the fundamental and the analysis as the way the chart is going on. That is what we are doing and following. Let's see, let's hope. Although August is always somehow in the crypto space according to the history, but September always be a better one. Anyway, let's see, let's hope and see. But what I'm just saying in this chart is that if BTC can probably come to 29,000, which is the main key for me, definitely something huge is coming back in this month. If BTC can go to 28,000 or 29,000, definitely something huge is coming back. But let's wait and see. And definitely Ethereum, don't sleep on Ethereum, because seeing Ethereum in 2005 is going to be very, very fast, because of the merge of proof of stake that is going to happen on the 19th of September, which is next month. Don't sleep on Ethereum also. It's very, very important, guys. This is just what I said I should share with you guys, and know where the next thing for us to do. Guys, play safe there, and I think this year is the most important thing in this market right now, because nobody never know what is still going to happen. Guys, see you guys next time. One love. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Love you guys.